Hello adventure riders from around the world. Many people suggest that I should have a drone on my long motorcycle trips. It will add this great footage in my videos and will make it much better. Yes, I perfectly understand that, but guys, I am one-man show. Sometimes it's very difficult to write and film at the same time. It takes a lot of energy and time just to complete this simple job. If I have another one option like drone, it will be even more difficult. But I really want to do it. That's why guys, I have very interesting solution. I believe that it will help to all of us. And this is what the video is about. Stay with me. Welcome back in the channel guys. The idea to have a drone on my trips, it's not new. I have it from a long time and I already checked all possible options and variations. I will say that the prices of the drones are affordable. They are between $400 and $1,000, which is good. If I keep in mind that it's going to be a long-term investment in my channel and it will improve the quality of my videos, I can do it. But what I found out are 3 different obstacles which actually prevent me to go and buy one of these drones. The first one is the size. So you can tell me now, no, you can go for Spark, DJI Spark. It's a very small, actually, with the size of one smartphone, but it's not only the drone. When you're having the drone, you need a remote control, you need all the chargers, batteries, protective bag and stuff like that. And at the end, you will finish with one bag with at least this size, like this. So if you see now, it is with the size of my tank bag. I cannot even have it inside of my tank bag, you see? So this is the first problem. The second problem I found, guys, was durability. I really don't know how long this drone will survive all the time on my bike. If I'm on short trip, 2-3 days or week, I can take the risk. But I'm gonna ride, guys, for more than 2 months in any kind of terrains. So there will be good roads, bad roads, dirty roads, bumpy roads, shaky roads, all of this moving all the time. There will be a lot of weather changing conditions. It will be hot, it will be cold, it will rain, and the worst of everything is the dust. Dust go everywhere, and dust is actually like the killer of all electronic devices. So I really believe that this long-term investment is not going to be that long. The third problem is that I have no idea how to control it. I never tried. So many will say, no, it's not that difficult, you can learn fast. No, guys, it's not that fast. I'm sure I can learn it, but not during the trip and not now, because I'm an old school guy. I never even play games with these joysticks. I don't know what button is for what. So it's going to be something absolutely new for me. And before I really learn how to do it, I'm sure that I'm gonna crash it a number of times. And if this is my first drone, it's better to be something cheap or to make some practice before I go. So I cannot really take the drone and go and learn on pedals or learn now before the trip, because I don't have this time. I have so many things to complete here and to finish. So this was the third possible problem. Alright, enough problems. As I always said, there is no problems, only solutions. So I have a solution, and this is where the interesting part is starting. Keep watching. Alright, what is the solution? It is actually very simple. I'm gonna ride in Australia and New Zealand for more than 2 months. I'm gonna visit most of the big cities and interesting places. I don't know the route yet, but it will be published very soon in my website. So if you have a drone and you know how to fly with it, you know how to work with it, you're more than welcome to come meet me somewhere on the spot and make these detailed video sessions or video shooting day or whatever you want to name it. We can spend a couple of hours or couple of days riding together on the destinations you already know, because if you're coming to my country, I can tell you, okay, here is not good for drones, but here we can make it. Here is forbidden for drones, but here it's alright. So if you know these destinations, if you know the places we can go and make this nice shooting day, we can do it. When we finished, I will take a copy of the videos we have made and I will publish it in my video series later when I edit everything at home. Of course, I will include all of your details in the video description, in my Facebook page, in my website, so everyone who wants to meet you or who wants to contact you will be able to do it. I believe that this could be a real double win situation. No, actually it's going to be triple win situation. Good for me because I will have this nice footage to include it in my video series later. Good for you because you can make some new videos and upload in your YouTube channel, and I can help you to improve your YouTube channel. And the third person who is going to benefit, or actually there are many people who are going to benefit, these are all the viewers of my channel, all subscribers. I believe that they will be more than happy to have this nice video footage. So as I said, it's a triple win situation. So guys, I'm absolutely sure that together we can make something great, reach and even inspire more and more people to travel with motorcycles around the world. So if you're from Australia or New Zealand and you have a drone and know how to fly, send me an email. Detailed link in the video description, also in my website. Don't forget to include your location, your free time and what you're about to do. Just a simple description. I cannot promise that I'm gonna meet each and every one of you, but I will do my best to stop to as more as possible destinations. As usual, thank you very much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Check also my Instagram account, Motorcycle Adventures, and see you next time. Ciao.